morning, guys. Day 5 in Andaman. Woke up with an excitement of being in North Andaman. We are at Hotel Driftwood, Port Blair, which has in-house lounge and restaurant with good amenities to consider for stay. Special mention to receptionist Mr. Neeraj and Rajendra for their courtesy, dedication and helping nature. Checking out from hotel post some breakfast. It's 9:30 am, commencing our journey to North Andaman with our traveller partner Fort Holidays via private cab. Reached Ferrergunj, where COVID certificate for double vaccinated tourists are verified, else have to go through rapid test including driver and wait for green signal to go ahead. Time is 11:30, so it's gonna consume some time here. From here, the Jigatang checkpost is 17 kilometers. We're gonna have our lunch there itself, and then we'll be waiting for our convoy timings. The operational convoys prior to COVID, passing through Zarawa Reserve Forest, where tribals live for a stretch of 48 kilometers. To and fro are these timings. Right now, the revised operational timings from south to north are 8 am, 2 pm, and to come back, these are the slots that are available. These are the convoy timings. These are very important. You have to plan your hotel stays and then plan your next things. So apart from that, yeah, we were given permission to 2:30 because we were directly heading to Diglipur. So the intention of giving this particular timing is the people who are preferring to go to Baratang, they have to return on the same day. So for that, the preference was given to 8:30 am people, and then we were pushed to 2 o'clock. In the process, all that you have to do is please make sure to have Aadhaar card original and RT-PCR Xeroxes with you handy. As you are passing through Zarawa Reserve Forest, there are few norms that you have to follow. In order to engage yourself, these are my recommendations. If you are on the way, when you head to Diglipur, it's going to be more secluded place, and you will be passing via Zarawa Forest. So have them handy. And finally reached Middle Strait. This transportation took little of my attention. South Andaman and Baratang Island is separated from Middle Strait to Baratang by a shallow and narrow channel of water body called Aston Strait. So all the vehicles are shipped onto a boat along with passengers on first come first served basis. This is why we started very early at 9:30, even though when our convoy is at 2 pm to avoid the spoilers in the later part of the day. Lucky chance, met a friendly captain where he walked us about the cockpit and allowed us to enjoy a little.
This is compass, this is panel board of both engine.
Which one is, sir? What is that?
This is remote.
Okay.
For both two engine.
Okay.
This is compass.
Okay. This is the biggest main component.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Okay.
This is electric steering.
Okay.
Joystick. This is called hydraulic.
Okay.
जाइए भाई. जाइए.
पटका.
Both hand.
Welcome to Baratang.
Places to visit in Baratang are limestone caves, mud volcano and Parrot Island. Time for quick snack break on the way by the road. one more separation from Baratang to Middle Andaman called Humphrey Strait, that is located between Gandhighat Jetty and Uttara Jetty. For all the tourists from this season of 2021, Humphrey Strait Bridge can be accessed by road and avoid using ship transportation. Heading towards Kadamtala, another Zarawa Reserve Forest. Here both locals and Zaravas reside together. We got to spot few Zarawa tribals here twice and reached Rangat. On the way from Rangat to Mayabandar, there is an area called Bill Ground, which is only network point and some range of decent internet spot for the day. Make utilization of it if there is any emergency. Crossed Mayabandar and we have done a pit stop for dinner. Entered into Khali Ghat of Diglipur and finally reached Pristine Beach Resort. Our stay for next few days.
Thank you.
Mr. Vinod.
Hey, hi. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you also. Hello. Hi.
I've been looking.
Had you
Alex
dinner,
Engine. Yeah, we had.
So, room there.
There are 3 types of stays in Pristine Beach Resort: Villa Cottage, Deluxe Cottage, and Standard AC Room. We have opted for Standard AC Room. Yeah, thank you. Good night.